Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. I'm continuing with the Power Automate series, and in this video we'll learn how we can make content approval workflows in SharePoint through Power Automate. In this video we'll create one document library and then we'll create a Microsoft flow. We'll attach that flow to that document library, and whenever a document is added to that document library, approval process will trigger and the content will go through approval, and once approved it will be visible to everyone. So let's start. Now these two approval flows we created in previous videos. In this video first we'll create the document library and then we'll create the approval flow. So let's go to the SharePoint. So this is my SharePoint. I can go to site contents and then new, add document library. I'll write test1 2 and then I'll create. Now this is the document library which is created. Now I'll create the Microsoft flow or Power Automate and we'll attach that to this document library, and whenever a document is added it will go to a approval flow. So I can go to the templates and I can filter with the approve SharePoint files, and you can see so many templates are already available. Now if you want your files to be approved by your manager, so you can use this template, request manager approval for the selected files. Now in my tenant that manager is not yet configured, so I'll not use this template. I'll use this template when a file is added, approve file using SharePoint content approval. So I'll click on this, and these are the connectors which are going to be used. So all articles, oh, this is not valid, so I'll try to add it again, and it should, okay, now it should complete. Now I'll click on continue. Okay, so my flow is created. I need to fill few of the informations which I'll fill. So here site address I need to fill, so I'll select the site address first. So I have created that site here, so I'll copy this URL and paste it there. Now it will populate the libraries. Now currently I have test1 2 document library, it's there. Now if you want that approval flow occur only on a particular folder, like you can create folders, in the document library, and then you want that only in that whatever documents are uploaded in that folder that goes to the approval flow and others document do not, then you can give the path of the folder, and only those files will go through the approval process which are inside that folder. I'll leave it blank only, and now you can see spanned condition. Now it's checking is it's a folder or a file. So if it's a file, then only it will execute, otherwise not. You see this condition is there, is folder is false. If folder is false, then only it will execute, otherwise nothing will happen. So this is the case. And then here also I need to get the file metadata, so I'll have to enter the name. So test, this is my team, this is my team site, so I've selected this, and then here also I need to select, so I'll select again, and here I have to select the document library name also. So test1 2 is the document library, and the similar case here, test2, and then the document library. Then I can check that every input we have already filled or not. So it's saying that it's okay, no errors. Now I can go and save this, so I'll save this. Okay, assign to is required, so where is this assigned to? Here. Now to whom you want that approval should go, so that person has to be there. So either I can give a static name, or you can dynamically pick from the columns of the list or library or anywhere from where you have saved. I'll give a static one. I'll give the test user 3 email ID, test user 3. So this is the test user 3, so that I can approve with the test user 3. So this user will get the approval mail, and then I can save. Okay, one saved. Okay, now you see this flow has not run yet. Now I'll go and upload one document in my document library, and then it will run, then the approval mail will go. So okay, so this is my document library, test12. I'll drag and drop this document. Okay, so it's uploaded now. Now it will trigger a flow, so I can check whether this should run. This could take few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, so I can see. Okay, so it is running. So why it is showing running? Because the approval mail has triggered to test user 3. Once he approves, then it will be complete. So I can log in with test user 3 and check his mail. Okay, so this I am logged in as test user 3, and I have received this mail. Review document 222. This was the document name which I uploaded, and this is the approval mail. So I can approve it, and then I can approve, and then I can submit. Now I have approved. Now if you go and check the flow, it should be, you see, it succeeded. Now you can go to the document library and see. Now if you can see, this document is there. So this is how you create the content approval flow in document library in SharePoint. So you can see, using templates, it's so easy to create the flows. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.